March Madness, day 25. We're really upping the ante. We're going to do a compound exercise now. I call this one the bear crawl. So Mariella is going to hip hinge. Take her hips back as she bends her knees. She's going to slowly bring herself down towards the ground, walk out, but keep hovering the knees above the mat. She releases the back leg, swivels through and sits down. She just touches down when she changes her mind to come back into the hover, walk back and stand back up. And we're going to do that again the other way this time. So you're going to hip hinge, knee bend, walk out, hover the knees, take the other leg, swivel through, sit, change your mind, hover, and then walk your way back and slowly stand up. So do as many of these in 2 minutes as you can. And you can do them slower or you can do them faster. So challenge yourself to do that for at least 2 minutes. You'll find yourself getting slightly puffy, slightly taking up into a sweat, but it's a really good challenge. Lots of really good strengthening movements there for you.